Welcome to paradise! Today, we are grilling up the ultimate beach feast. Juicy steaks, burgers, and chicken, all seasoned to perfection. Welcome to paradise! The secret today is this Paradise Steak Grilling Seasoning. It brings out the rich flavors, perfect for the open flame. We'll start with the chicken since it takes the longest to cook. Pat them dry first. Pat them dry first. Don't be shy with the seasoning. Coat both sides evenly so every bite is packed with flavor. Next up, the star of the show, beautiful, thick ribeye steaks. Bring them to room temperature before grilling, Now for the burgers. We're portioning out fresh ground beef into generous quarter-pound balls. We're coating the top side generously. This blend creates an incredible caramelized crust on the burger. Loading crust on the burger, flip them over, and repeat. Every single bite of these burgers needs that authentic paradise flavor. With our chicken, steaks, and burgers perfectly seasoned, it's time to check on our fire. Our charcoal is burning beautifully. You want those coals covered in white ash so the heat is perfectly even. Hold your hand over it for a quick heat check. A steady, intense heat is exactly what we need for a proper sear. Always make sure your grates are completely clean before the meat touches the grill. Always make sure your meat to tip. A quick wipe with a little cooking oil prevents the meat from sticking and helps lock in those beautiful grill marks. Now we are ready to grill. The grill is hot and oiled. Let's get this beach BBQ started. The grill is hot and oiled. Let's get this beach BBQ started. The grill is nice and hot. Chicken goes on first, over indirect heat so it stays juicy. Now for the steaks. That's exactly what we want. And finally, the burgers. Give them enough space so they cook evenly. With done rooming, let's check our chicken. It's starting to get a nice opaque color around the edges. Look at those beautiful grill lines forming on the steak. That's flavor locked right there. Rotate the steaks 90 degrees. This is how we get those professional diamond crosshatch marks. Now that everything is on the fire, we manage the heat. The beach breeze adds a nice touch, but keep an eye on the flames. If you get a little flare up from the burger fat, just slide them to a cooler spot on the grill. Time to flip the burgers. Look at that gorgeous crust from the Paradise seasoning. Flip the chicken. We want that beautiful golden color on both sides. And turn the steaks over. The second side cooks just as beautifully. And turn the steaks over. Once flipped, let the second side sear completely without moving them around too much. See how the seasoning is bubbling? The heat is caramelizing those spices perfectly. Keep an eye on the chicken so it doesn't dry out in the sea breeze. Welcome back to my beachside kitchen. Give the steaks one final turn on this side for the matching crosshatch pattern. Perfect. Welcome back to my beachside kitchen. The burgers are tightening up nicely. They're almost ready. Perfect. The burgers are tightening up nicely. They're almost ready. To be absolutely sure everything is cooked perfectly, always use a digital meat thermometer. Insert it into the side of the burger. We are looking for 160 degrees for a fully cooked burger. Fully cooked burger. For a perfect medium rare steak, we want to pull it off the grill right around 130 to 35 degrees. To 135 degrees. Chicken must reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees to be completely safe and delicious. Move things around if needed. The edge of the grill is perfect for holding heat without burning. To be completed delicious. Look at that texture. The Paradise seasoning creates an incredible bark on the outside. When the juices start pooling on top, you know that burger is incredibly juicy inside. The chicken looks spectacular on both sides now. The chicken... Perfect. The steaks have hit our target temperature. Burgers are completely ready to come off the fire. Today we are grilling up some flavor. Just insert the probe right here, and the chicken is fully cooked and ready to rest. Enjoy your perfect meal. Everything has cooked flawlessly. The smell out here on the beach is absolute paradise. Get your clean platters ready. We are about to pull everything off the heat. Let's get these off the grill and let them rest before we feast. The burgers are done. Look at that crust from the seasoning. Pull the steaks off and let them rest for about 10 minutes. This keeps the juices inside. The chicken is perfectly cooked through and incredibly tender. A quick toast on the buns adds a perfect crunch and holds up to the juicy burgers. Lay down your seasoned patties. The aroma of the grill seasoning is amazing. Top them off with crisp lettuce, fresh tomato, and onion to complement that savory flavor. Now for the steak. Always slice against the grain for the most tender bite. Now for the steak. Look at that perfect medium rare center. Juicy, tender, and beautifully seared. We'll arrange our sliced chicken right alongside the steak on our serving platter. Bring everything together on one massive platter. This is a true beachside feast. A squeeze of fresh lime juice cuts through the richness and brightens up the entire dish. Finish it off with a handful of fresh herbs for that perfect tropical presentation. And there you have it, the ultimate beach BBQ. Made easy with Paradise seasoning. Fire up your grill, try this out, and I'll see you next time in Paradise. Happy grilling! For more recipes, visit us at keywestspice.com.